If your wish is to finally understand and speak English, you are in the right place. This is a very slow English story for beginners. In every episode, you will learn useful words, natural phrases, and real-life English you can use every day. Just relax, listen, and enjoy learning with us. Let's begin.
Good afternoon. Welcome to Paradise Guest House.
Hi, good afternoon. I have a reservation.
Of course. What's your name?
My name is Maya Novak.
Let me check. Yes, I see your reservation. Welcome, Maya.
Thank you.
Can I see your passport, please?
Passport, yes. 1 second. Sorry, my bag is chaos.
No problem. Take your time.
Here, my passport.
Thank you. So you are staying with us for 2 months, correct?
Yes, 2 months.
That's a nice, long stay.
Yes, I want to live here for some time.
You chose a good place.
I hope so.
Breakfast is included.
Included?
Yes, breakfast is included in the price. You don't pay extra.
Ah, perfect. What time is breakfast?
From 7 to 10 in the morning.
From 7 to 10. Okay.
Here is your room key.
Thank you.
You are in room 204, second floor.
Second floor. Okay.
The Wi-Fi password is on the card.
Perfect.
Do you need help with your luggage?
No, thank you. I can manage.
All right. Enjoy your stay, Maya.
Thank you very much. Okay. This is my room. Wow. It's actually really nice. This bed looks amazing. Seriously, I need this bed. So soft. I'm going to sleep so well tonight. Finally, a good bed. I love this room already. Oh, wow! Look at this! The view! This is crazy. Ocean, palm trees, sun. This is not real. I can't believe I'm here. This air feels so good. Warm, calm, quiet. Okay, focus. Nice table. Good chair. Perfect for morning coffee. Air conditioning. Yes. Very important. Oh, this bathroom is cute. Very clean. Soft towels? Good. Big shower. Perfect after travel. Okay, I live here now for 2 months. 2 months on this island. That sounds nice. This place feels good. Calm, simple, easy. Good choice, Maya. Very good choice. Oh, message from Liam. Good evening, Maya. I hope you like your room. Tomorrow, I pick you up at 10 a.m. We explore the island together. Tomorrow. Okay, adventure tomorrow. Good first day. Really good first day. My new life starts today.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Welcome to breakfast. Table for one?
Yes, for one.
Right this way, please. You look very happy this morning.
Yes, I am. I really like this place.
I'm glad to hear that. Is it your first day here?
Yes, everything is new, but very nice.
Would you like coffee or tea?
Coffee, please.
Black or with milk?
With milk, please.
Great. Are you ready to order?
I think so. Maybe something local.
I recommend our tropical breakfast. Fresh fruit, eggs, toast, and juice.
Recommend?
Recommend means this is my suggestion. I think it's very good.
Ah, your suggestion.
Yes.
Okay, perfect. I'll take that.
Great choice. Would you like orange juice?
Yes, please.
Perfect. I'll bring everything soon.
Okay, breakfast in English. Done. Oh, message. From Liam. Good morning, Maya. I'm thinking about you already. I can't wait to see you today. See you at 10. Me too. Maybe coming here was the right decision.